Hello, and welcome back to the next video in the Magnet Construct app instructional video series. In this video, we will calibrate the instrument to the job using two known points within the site. Ensure you have your LN100 set up over a known reference point and have another reference point visible within 300 feet from your setup location. Verify you are connected to your LN100 and your job file is uploaded. Next, we will want to adjust the instrument settings. Press Configure, Instrument, and verify your prism listed matches the prism mounted on your survey rod. Next, tap the LN100 icon to adjust the instrument settings. Verify your settings are correct and enter the height of your survey rod. Back on the main screen, select Setup Instrument. Next, select Occupy Point. Click on the map icon to zoom to the point where the LN100 is located. Next, select the map for the backsight point, and again zoom to the point your survey rod is located. Then, enter the height of the instrument, which is the measurement from the laser point on the ground surface to the mark located on the side of the LN100. Once you have entered your height, press the LN100 icon to steer the LN100 towards the prism. Once the LN100 is facing your prism, press the yellow prism icon to search for your prism. Once the prism is found, you will receive horizontal distance and vertical distance values, along with a green check mark. Press the green check mark to store your value. View your results screen for accuracy of your job calibration. Once you are satisfied with the results, press the green check mark to continue. You are now ready for layout or as-built, which is the next video of this series.